Hello guys, it's Stock Trader Max here and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be analysing the markets and seeing where they could potentially be heading over the next 24 to 48 hours. Before I start today's video, real quick guys, anyone who's looking to join my Signal team and be part of my Telegram group chat, as well as gain access to the Investors Lounge where you can see where the videos that I post, where I analyse in depth the positions that I myself and my trading community currently have open, and also you gain access to the educational hub where you can see videos where I teach how I trade on a day-to-day basis. To sign up, go and visit dailymarketmovements.com. I will leave the website link in the description of today's YouTube video. Let's get started here with the S&P 500, currently trading at 5,717. We have retreated from the all-time highs ever so slightly. This is pretty much since yesterday's consumer number that come in slightly weaker than expected. We've kind of failed to really rally any further than where we were trading yesterday due to that soft number, and it was a really soft number. So we need to keep very close eye on those figures moving forward, because if we see any further deterioration, that will be quite worrying for the market. But if we just quickly jump over to the economic calendar, today we didn't really have much in terms of data, but tomorrow we have a very busy day. We have the GDP. More importantly, we have the initial jobless claims. I think we're going to have to all keep a very close eye and hope that this number doesn't start to increase, because if people start losing jobs, then obviously you start flirting with a recession. So you just got to be really careful and keep a very close eye. But at the moment, 200,000-ish or 220,000 jobless claims per week. That's not significant compared to historical averages when the economy has started to weaken significantly. More importantly, though, on Friday we get the core PCE inflation data. That's going to be very important. Obviously, investors are going to be keeping a very close eye on the inflation figures off the back of the Fed's recent 50 basis point cut. But the S&P 500, still in my own humble opinion, is trading within this five-wave formation. I think that 6,000 is a target before the end of the year. We could even go higher. But ultimately, I think the final destination will be around that 6,300 area. And we probably hit that in the first half of 2025. Nasdaq 100, very similar to the S&P 500. We've broken out that recent wedge, currently within this five-wave formation. I've been mentioning the past couple of videos that I really like the setup here for the Nasdaq 100, simply due to the fact it isn't trading at a new all-time high. Similar to the S&P 500 and the Dow. We've got the S&P and the Dow trading at all-time highs, achieving pretty much new all-time highs daily, where the Nasdaq 100 still remains 5% under its all-time high that we hit back in late July. So I do favour this market to play catch-up and to go and trade up towards 21,000, where that previous all-time high was set on the 11th of July. Just a few months ago. Dow Jones 30, as I mentioned, currently trading in all-time high territory. We are cooling off today down around 0.57%, but I think that this will probably continue to grind higher over the upcoming days and weeks. Finally, if we just quickly head over to the Bitcoin market, Bitcoin also cooling off slightly today, down 1.2%, trading at 63,490. I do expect this market to continue moving higher. I think 66,000 is likely the target before the end of the week. That's the top end of this handle or bullish flag, whatever you want to call it. And if we can break above that, then obviously that's when this market really starts to get exciting. And I think it should be noted that we are currently in the final full trading week of September. And going into next week, we start Q4. And Q4, historically speaking, is very generous to Bitcoin, where the average gain over the past 10 years has been 88% higher. So an 88% move higher in Bitcoin, it takes you to roughly 120,000. That's just napkin math. But if you do 19,000 Bitcoin. So that'd be very interesting to see how Q4 plays out. But yeah, I really am anticipating a very, very exciting next couple of 3 months as we go into the end of 2024. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Don't forget, if you would like to join my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com, to sign up. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all tomorrow.